Hey guys, welcome back to this Airdrops YouTube channel. Now I'm going to show you how to register with Bitmart Airdrop. So let us go to www.thisairdrops.com and click on Bitmart Airdrop here in the latest airdrop section. So guys, what is the Bitmart exchange giving it today for us, and what's the value, how many tokens that we are going to see right now. So Bitmart exchange airdrop is actually a WINR airdrop guys by Bitmart exchange. So this airdrop is a total of 56 lakh WINR tokens worth of $500 to its community members. Actually, WINR token is listing in the Bitmart exchange. So to celebrate this event, Bitmart is doing this airdrop. Well, to participate in this airdrop event, follow Bitmart, sign up an account in the Bitmart exchange, follow Bitmart and just bet official in the Twitter, retweet the tweet, and finally submit your details in the airdrop form. So this event starts at 3 a.m. on 18th August 2020 EST, Eastern Standard Timings. That means it's already started or maybe on the way. Well, this is all the about details guys. We're getting the token and how much is the token supply, what will be the value and all. Also there is an option that you can even see here. The number of tokens is this much. The estimated value could be $500 and the protocol is TRC20. Right now the total supply of this token is this much. WINR referral, yes. Okay guys, here I have given Bitmart exchange referral, so it makes you easy to add more referrals when you invite your friends from the exchange. This airdrop ends on August 28th roughly I have given, and price of the token right now is $0.0005 US, right? So before jumping into the airdrop registration, let's know little about this project. Just Bet Official. So this is the first ever fully decentralized and autonomous gaming platform which has no human interaction, where payouts cannot be tampered with at any point of time, where everyone is a WINR winner. Each time a user wagers, their total amount wagered will be converted into a number of winner tokens based upon the calculation. Okay, you can see here the white paper to know more about the project. And also, yeah, here is the white paper link we have given. You can go through the link. And also, if you want to know more about Just Bet, click here to go through the website. You will come to know more details. Alright. So yeah, there are 6 simple steps guys to complete the registration process. Let's start with step number 1. Sign up at an account at BitMax exchange guys. Click here to sign up an account in the BitMax exchange. Okay, I have already signed up account. It's dead easy. Only thing is you have to give only your email address and a password. Click I agree and click on register button. Right? Okay, I will show it to you. So give your email address here and a password. Now click on I certify and click register button here. Okay, so this is very easy and simple registration process guys. Never ever try with the mobile phone. Please keep it as an optional, because sometimes we may lose our mobile phone, but whereas the email is always safe and secured, right? So once you give your email address and a password and clicking on I certify and click on register button, finally what you get, you'll be getting an email for the verification. The moment you get an email, please do verify that and log in back. Since I have already registered an account, I'm not going to register it again. So step number 2, follow Bitmart and Just Bet Official on Twitter. Click here to follow Bitmart and Just Bet Official on the Twitter, right? So let's this get opened. The system, the computer, internet is very slow. I don't know, these days I'm getting a lot of issues in the internet connections. See, it's still buffering. Okay, and also Just Bet Official too, both we need to follow. This is a mandatory step, guys, do not miss this. Okay, I'm just inviting this page to open. Yeah, hopefully it is getting to be open now. So click here to follow the Bitmart exchange, guys. Similarly, you need to follow the Just Bet Official also. So you can see here I am successfully following the Bitmart exchange. Similarly, we need to follow the Just Bet Official also here. Click here to follow, guys. I'm already following this Twitter account. So similarly, step number 3, also retweet this post and tag 3 friends. So click here to retweet this post by tagging 3 friends. So this is the post, guys. Now click on the like button here and click retweet. As I always say, please retweet with a comment. So click here to retweet with a comment. Here this tagging 3 friends is mandatory, guys. So give 3 friends have to be tagged, and now click on retweet button below. Alright. So guys, my tweet has been successfully tweeted, and step number 4, finally submit your details to the airdrop form here. So click here to submit your details to the airdrop form. So in this airdrop, what you need to do is please provide your Bitmart account. This is my Bitmart account email address which I have given, and please provide your Twitter account. Yes, this is my Twitter account, and please upload the screenshot showing your retweet of the post. Guys, that post must include your Twitter account name too in this screenshot. So for that reason I have here retweeted this, right? So I have given my tag myself too, so that it makes them easy to understand, right? So before submitting the airdrop form, please have a look, as I always say. So once you think that you have given the right information, just click on submit button here, right? So guys, yes, my details has been successfully recorded. Okay, this is slow again. Can you see here my details has been successfully recorded for Bitmart and Just Bet Twitter airdrop. So well, that's all guys about the registration process for Bitmart airdrop. If you like this airdrop, don't forget to upvote and comment below. Excuse me. Follow us on Telegram, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter for fastest, legit, latest and exclusive airdrops. In addition to this, please subscribe to our newsletter to receive new airdrops every day in your inbox for absolutely free. Have a happy dropping. Bye bye.